In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to migrate your Wix store over to Shopify. Our journey to successful migration begins by preparing and exporting data from your current Wix store. Head over to your Wix dashboard, where you will export crucial information such as products, customers, and order details into CSV files. At the same time, you will want to tidy up your digital workspace by saving all product images and other essential digital assets into organized folders on your computer. So, let's move on to the next milestone: setting up your new storefront on Shopify. Start by choosing a Shopify plan that aligns well with your business needs and preferences. The next step is to scout through the vast array of creative themes Shopify offers and pick out one that fits your brand like a glove. Now that you've selected a suitable theme, the stage is set for you to start flexing your creative muscles and customize your storefront. Carve out an impressive digital space that truly speaks to your brand identity. You'll want an online store that not only looks great, but also feels right for you and your potential customers. With your new Shopify store looking impeccably tailored to your brand, it's time to get those all-important data migrated. To make this process easier, you'll want to install the Store Migration app found in the Shopify App Store. Then upload those previously exported CSV files, which contain your products and customer information, directly into the app. If you've decided to use other tools, you'll need to format the exported data to marry well with Shopify's structure, and you can do this using Shopify's readily available templates. Next, we delve into the world of rebuilding and optimizing your store on Shopify. Start by recreating your web pages and content, including product pages, collections, blogs, and others using the innovative features in Shopify. You'll need to manually format the content to ensure it's a perfect match with your chosen theme. Setting up SEO can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step. Go ahead and reapply vital SEO elements like meta titles, descriptions, and alt text to optimize your search engine rankings. One effective way to maintain your search rankings is to create 301 redirects from your old Wix URLs to your new Shopify URLs. For the business end of things, you should configure your payment and shipping options. Enable Shopify payments, or alternatively, integrate third-party gateways to ensure flexibility for your customers. Also, set up your shipping zones, tax rules, and return policies to provide clear information to your customers about these vital aspects of your business. Lastly, go ahead and integrate essential marketing tools into your Shopify store. You may consider tools for email marketing, analytics, and other marketing platforms you need. This way, you're all set to migrate from Wix to Shopify and poised for success in the world of e-commerce.